Hello friends, welcome to join Holy Child Academy, Senior Secondary School, Jaunpur. Myself Dinesh Kumar Prajapati, PGT teacher with English. Today in this video, I will cover one more new topic, poster making, designing, drafting posters, underwriting skill, which comes in 4 marks in question papers. This video is especially for class 11th and 12th students. In this video, first of all, we will introduce about posters. Poster writing is a part of the short composition section of the CBSE grade 11 and 12th question papers, and it forms part of a choice of notices, invitations, advertisements. Marks are awarded for creativity, sticking to the format, and following conventions. Posters are fun to make and they are scoring too. Actually, poster is a temporary promotion of an idea, product, or event put up in a public space for mass consumption. Typically, posters include both textual and graphic elements, although a poster may be either wholly graphical or wholly text. Posters are designed to be both eye catching and informative. The main purpose of posters are to capture a moving audience or person with a good message. It attracts the brain of persons to provide message. There are some basic elements of poster designs. First of all, alignment. Alignment means arrangement in straight or parallel line to something in given figures or in the box. Second things, color and contrast. Color and contrast also plays a best role in poster making. And that things, leading lines. Lines should be leading and attractive and according to the content. Next points, perspective. Perspective means attitudes and opinion of the person related to the topic. And next things, proximity. Proximity means state of being near. The words, the titles should be very near to the audience. Next things, repetition. The words which is so important and useful that lines be repeated also in posters. Rules of odd. Some rules of odd also should be mentioned in poster designing. Now we will discuss about the features of poster design. First, title, second, text, third, graphic, fourth, white space, next, layout, next, flow, and next, color. These things are key features of making a posters. Now, kinds of posters. There are two kinds of posters that can come in the exams. First of all, event poster. Second, non-event posters. What are event posters? Event posters include events like school, fetes, book fairs, blood donation, camps, etc. It deals with the events that are to take place. The event poster contains the following value points. First of slogan, statement, venue, date, special features, other features, important information, concluding slogans, name of organization, etc. Non-event posters. Posters on social issue, social evils, and bad habits like child marriage, female infanticides, alcohol abuse, deforestation, etc. This type of poster deals with important everyday social issues. This poster is made up of the following elements like slogan, statement, list of reasons, statement, slogan, name of the person or organizer who has issued the poster. How to draft a poster. How to design a poster. First, begin with a catching title and slogan. Means slogan should be eye-catching and brain-tickling. Slogan should be attractive. Next things, graphics in the form of matchsticks figures optional. If there is necessary of any features or graphics, it should be involved in the posters. Third things, date, venue, time must be mentioned. If the poster is being drafted for an event, means date, venue, time, it should be mentioned in the posters. It is mandatory, it is necessary. Next points, name of the organization which has issued the poster. Means in the poster, name of organization should be compulsory. Next point, sponsored and issued. Sponsored means organized or issued by to be post scripted at the bottom. At the bottom, there should be a straight person, a post things will be included. Now we will discuss about the marking scheme of poster writing or poster making, poster designing. The poster will be of 4 marks. On the base of 3 things, the students are assessed in board examinations. First of all, layout. Layout means format. For format, 1 marks. Subject matter or subject means for 2 marks. Expression, in which way you are using the words, you are showing the content and expression, for it you can get 1 marks. For format, 1 marks. For content or subject matter, 2 marks. For expression, 1 marks you can show that. Okay. Now you can see the questions based on poster making or designing. First question, design a poster on Save the Earth on behalf of the Pollution Board, Rajasthan State Board or UP State Board. This question is very important. You can practice in your hair copy. Actually, poster should be attractive, charming, eye-tickling and eye-catching, so that it should attract the mind of examiners. Okay, to Save the Earth. First of all, we design the poster in a box. If there is necessary, you can give designs with pictures or you can write in text forms. There are 3 questions before you. With the help of these 3 questions, you can practice in copy and maintain and improve your poster makings. To save the earth, first of all, save the earth in capital letters. That is very attractive. Go green, stay green. Go green, stay green. Here, figure of our earth. Then, done's, not done's. What should we do and what should not we do to save the earth? Means first, plant more and more trees should plant. Use dustbin. You should use of dustbins. Next, keep your surroundings neat and clean. Don't leave the taps open when not in use. Next, don't litter. Litter means bedding matter. Means scatter the matter. Litter means scatter the matters hither and thither like rubbish. Means don't litter anything. Next, don't exploit. Exploit means spoil. Don't spoil or ruin natural resources. Okay, save earth, save future generation. Now, issued in public interest by Pollution Board, Rajasthan or UP, you can say that this is very attractive and the lovely figure. By you can practice. Now see the second question. Draft a poster on road safety. Road safety, this is also very important questions that already has come in previous exams. Road safety attractive headings, titles. Does, what should do? Use seat belts, helmets, follow the traffic signals, drive carefully. These things important attractive lines and the statements. And don'ts, what should not do? Don't jump the red light. When red light is on, then don't jump, don't cross the road. Don't cross the speed liner. Don't cross the road with speed. Don't drink and drive. You know, you should not drink during the period of driving. Don't use mobile phones while drivings. And spill thrills but kills. And there is one picture also, three traffic lights, red, green and yellow, you can see, issued in public interest by traffic policies. And one question for you. Draft a poster on say no to plastic bags. You can text writes in it, say no to plastic bags, save environment. There are three. There are triple R. Triple R means reduce, reuse and recycle. This plays very important role in environment. So you should mention reduce, reuse, recycle for saving environment. Use cloth bags, paper bags, jute bags instead of plastic bags. Always carry your own bag while going out for shopping. Make others aware about this harmful effect. Issued by City Environment Club. Okay, this is your completed course. Okay, note down in your fair copy and revise it again and again, and wait for next video. Goodbye.